Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. If you want to know why I'm a little short, stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Yep, I've been a little short lately, and if you've been watching my channel recently, you've probably noticed it. Y'all, I'm trying something new. I'm trying to upload at least one YouTube short every single day. What is a YouTube short? A YouTube short is a video that's 60 seconds or less in length. And what I've decided to do is I have a lot of new subscribers and I have a lot of old content that might be beneficial to new subscribers, and it might even be beneficial to some of you who've forgotten that content is out there. So what I've decided to do is to make some YouTube shorts focusing on tips and helpful hints, 1-minute crafts, and then just some reminders of videos that might be out there that you might want to have a look at if you've never seen them, or videos that are out there that you might want to have a look at if you watched it a long time ago and have forgotten about it. Y'all, October will be my 5-year anniversary on YouTube, so I have a lot of videos in my YouTube library. So I'm going to start doing shorts as a way of pointing people back to those videos. I get a lot of questions about how can I find this video or how can I find that video. Well, a YouTube short will give you a quick snippet of what that video contained and then a link back to the video. Then on my 1-minute craft videos, I'm going to try to show you in 1 minute or less how you can do something very, very simple, very, very quickly. And then on the helpful hints and tips videos, I'm going to take some of the questions that I get a lot to see if I can't condense the answer into a minute or less. A lot of times it is as simple as, how do I score my paper? Or how do I place my paper in a trimmer? Well, we're going to answer those taking advantage of YouTube Shorts. So I am still committed 100% to my long form content. I am still committed 100% to bringing you beautiful videos and tutorials that you can make. But now I'm adding YouTube Shorts as a very quick hit to some of the things that I do on the channel. So you can help me by watching those shorts, because I think you'll find them beneficial, but it will also show YouTube that there is interest in the effort that I'm putting into my channel, and they'll continue to promote it. And that means that we will be able to continue to spend quality time together, paper crafting and chatting. So if you haven't checked out any of my shorts, go ahead, have a look. I think that you might find 1 or 2 that are helpful to you. See, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Y'all have a great day. Please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.